Hi guys, Max from Metro Hobbies. I'm out at Box Hill today and I thought I'd show you something that's due into us very shortly. It's been a long awaited kit. People have been asking about it. We're finally getting our stock. So let's have a look. Here it is, guys. This is the kit everybody's talking about. Such a surprise from Airfix for this to be released. It's a long awaited kit. We've got a Westland Sea King in 48 scale. This can be built as the Australian one, but let's have a look at the plastic. The box is full, lots and lots of bits, clear parts. Airfix is just becoming so much better with their clear parts and everything else. This is just beautifully done, all the frame lines. And interestingly, you get two canopies. One's got without windscreen wipers, the other one does. So that's interesting too. So that's quite good. Actual parts, look, it's just, from what we've already read and seen, it's just excellent, but to actually see it in the flesh, it's just beautifully done. The exterior is just superb. You've got separate doors and all sorts of things. Interior wise, there's a little bit of detail in there, but you're gonna add a lot to it. Then you've got seats and all the rest of it, just lovely. That's what I was talking about before. This is part of the interior, underfloor. There's all your floor parts, so that's pretty cool. Just lots and lots of little bits and engine parts. That's the sponsons. There's part of the under fuselage again. Now there's your 5-blade prop, a 5-blade rotor prop, but you also get a 6-blade one as well. So you can build either of the Aussie ones, 5-blade or 6-blade. There's all your blades. Just beautifully done. Molding is excellent. Just a lovely kit. This is one I've been looking forward to. Then you've got the decals. This is basically a decal sheet, just lovely. As I said, a lot of this can be used on the Australian ones, and Extra Decal have released 2 decal sheets, one with an all grey Sea King, and the other's got a grey and white Sea King, HU.5. We're currently out of stock at the moment, but we're getting more in if you want to do an Aussie one. So that's the decals that come in the kit, and then this is the book. This is just stunning, and this aircraft is all based on one serial numbered aircraft over its lifetime, so the decals just cover the single aircraft, but this is the usual standard that Airfix is doing. So guys, finally we're getting a Westland built Sea King. It's not a Sikorsky Sea King, which is different from the HAS.5 kit. So guys, that's what I've got to show you. This is due into us in store in the next 2 weeks. So if you haven't ordered one, get onto it. All our stores, online, give us a yell. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.